I got powder in my eye. Okay. So I'm mixing the NYX foundation and the matte concealer because the foundation is not my color. So I already primed with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. That's the color that I came up with. I couldn't get the exact color, but that's like pretty close. So I'm just gonna... And I always like to take my foundation on my like eye area just because I have really dark circles, so concealer, like, and even if I color correct and everything, it just doesn't cover it how I want it to. So I always take my foundation there. I know some people don't do that, but I do it. And I'm sorry if like I keep like looking like this or like anything. It's just because I don't have a mirror. I'm literally just looking in the camera. And you always have to blend on your ears and over here on your neck. I'm just gonna use all the rest of like what's on here for my face, just because why not? I'm sorry if the lighting keeps like blocking everything out. And I already blended everything down here off camera, so that's all blended out already. So I'm just gonna take my concealer on my ring finger. Normally, to apply my concealer, I would use, oh, that's a lot, but I would just use a concealer brush, but I don't have it with me right now. So I'm just gonna apply it. And I know it looks like it's a lot. Well, because it is, because I kind of just applied a lot by accident, but I take it on my forehead. I bring it down. I put it on the bridge of my nose. I do that. I just kind of make sure. And I just take it like that. Now I just will blend it out. Now I'm just going to take the side that the foundation is on and just blend the edges so it's not just like a harsh line of like whiteness. I'm just going to take my Laura Mercier powder and I'm going to set. I'm just setting everywhere that I would crease or get oily. I made such a mess. I'm just going to do my forehead. And if I get like powder or anything in my eyebrows, I just like will wipe it off with the wipe. That's really it. I got powder in my eye. Okay. While that is setting on my face, I'm just gonna take this hashtag Slay palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow. So it looks. I'm gonna go in with this one here. I'm just gonna take it in my crease. Use this mirror. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Everything I do to this side, I'm gonna do to that eye. Okay, so I'm done with that shade, and pretty much all you like have to do is just take that shade, put it in the crease, and you just build it up until you like it and until they're pretty much even. I'm gonna go in with this shade, and I'm just gonna be placing it a little bit lower than that first color that I put in. Brush, and I'm just gonna dust any of the excess setting powder. And I'm just gonna pack that on the lid. I'm gonna mix these two shades together now. I'm just taking it in the outer corner on each eye. Use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with this color pop brush. It doesn't have a number on it or anything, but it's just like the angled brush. I'm really fair, so I put a lot on. So I'm just gonna do the other side off camera and I'll be right back. It looks like that. And just right here, like right there, create a shadow. Just like this. Just like that. And right over there. That's it. I'm gonna use the first and second color that I used on the lower lash line, but I'm gonna do that off camera because I make like a weird face when I do it. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Kylie highlighter in the shade French Vanilla. Nice. It's very pigmented. I don't know if it's gonna pick. It's for sure very pigmented. And I'm just gonna take it on the nose. I feel like you'll be able to best see it on my nose. This is definitely like, if you put too much, it's like too much. Just sometimes I'll take it up there. Highlighter, and I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna put on the inner corner on both sides and the brow bone. And I'm just like that. Kylie. It's the shade Bear. It's a matte, not a velvet. So I applied my gloss. My lashes, this one's still drying, so it's a little wonky right now. I just bought a mascara, and I set my face, and I used the NYX Dewy Finish. So it took me about maybe, I don't know, like 20-30 minutes to do my full face. So yeah, this is just the look that I'm gonna wear to the family barbecue. It's very simple, very easy. I think that anybody can, I think that it's very easy to accomplish. So subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this, hauls, challenges, and all that kind of stuff.